Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Penrith inside Tangara carriage number D6812 on Tangara set T102, USB XG set T10G2. Going to film the trip from Penrith to Emu Plains. We are about to depart, so sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Okay. Front forecast is Tangara is T8, which has the state of origin advertising on the front, and I'm in the rear forecast last carriage T102, which used to be XG2. I'm in upper deck of Tangara carriage number D6812. Film a trip from Penrith to Emu Plains. We have the set, which is part through. About to cross over Castlereagh Road. We're now crossing over the Nepean River, across the Victoria Bridge. We are currently slowing down. We'll be holed up here for quite a while. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving into Emu Plains. Of course, the Tangara had to slow down, allow the four-car V-set to pass before we are permitted to manoeuvre into the platform. And this is a terminating service as the Tangara is now pulling in to Emu Plains, arriving onto platform number 1. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.